Alright, so I'm at my grandparents' house and they got this new air conditioner. Actually, and they got a new furnace too, but it's a trane. It's a two-bladed fan. That's pretty cool. It's not as common. You normally see Fleabag, Trane XR. I don't know what the serial number is. I'm assuming it's from 2020 because they put it in August of 2020. They got a new furnace, new thermostat, new air conditioner. Yeah. And I'll show you. There's this energy guide, but I don't see the serial like on the. Oh, kind of tripped there. The serial or the tag with information. But my grandpa's actually giving me the old fan motor. So and I already actually did a video of it. I recorded it earlier, but I'll upload it after this one. I didn't film anything else because there really isn't anything to film now. Since I filmed their bathroom pans and their window unit. Actually, I'll show the outside view of it. Actually, now that I think about it, here's the exterior view of the window. Picture from the outside. That's the exterior view of the air conditioning high velocity fence in the sunroom. And here's the Fastco golf stream in there. Can't see it, but it's off right now. And you can kind of see the Fastco golf stream. It's on low in reverse. But yeah, that's it.